Hi friends, welcome to daily content.
Moment we need a tray, tissue paper, glass, candle, matchsticks and some water. Make the tissue wet on the tray, then keep the candle and light it. Now flip the glass. So what happens here? The fire used all the oxygen available in the glass. When it consumes all the available oxygen, the flame goes off and the hot air now cools down and starts contracting. It tries to pull the wet napkin which creates a suction. Then the glass gets stuck with the tray. The outside air pressure is more and there is a vacuum in the glass, so the glass can now lift the tray. The force is so strong that even when we put more weight on the tray, the glass is able to lift all up. This is the same thing as a suction hooks. Thank you.
Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.